Hey guys, this is George's dump truck and excavating vlogs. Anyways, here's the Grizzly built. Finally got it done. I finally got the wire mesh on there. Now this is thinner gauge wire, and I wanted heavier stuff, but this is gonna have to do. It's layered. I got it layered 4 times, so it's pretty skookum. And now it's probably about 300 pounds heavier. But yeah, so it's ready to go. Put outside and get on with it. So. But it's raining now, but no, for whatever reason now we're like for whatever reason now it's been raining more than usual, so we had a dry summer, now we got a wet fall. Go figure. Anyways, yeah, so we got some stuff down here, protect it from the rocks and such and debris. So pretty happy with how it turned out. So I thought I'd just show you guys. You know, with a little bit of know-how and some timber. I mean, it's definitely cheaper than definitely cheaper than building out of metal. But you know, metal's gonna last a lot longer. But for using this once in a blue moon, it's gonna be working just fine for me. And you know, I sift dirt as I need it. Hopefully, no one is an asshole and damages it on me, because there is a lot of assholes in my area. And that's a problem with building something out of wood structure, because people are assholes and they want to do stuff to you that that will hurt your business, right? But yeah, so anyway, I think when we do this, we're going to be just getting over and done with. So I try to get the grade down as fast as best I could, but you know, it is what it is, right? So I got like 4 layers on here, and I try to overlap them as best I could. So there's like 2x4 squares, and I can overlap. Try to get them half and half and half every time, but you know, some places are not half. You know, some places are less, but that's okay. It's gonna work just fine. So we'll see, right? I mean, it is what it is. So, but most of the material I have there is mostly a lot of rock in it. And that's why I built this, because I want to use that material, that topsoil, or not topsoil, but it's just, you know, coarse soil, and it has a lot of rock in it, big rock, I mean. And yeah, so it works pretty good for that, I hope. So you'll have to try it out and see how it goes. And I tacked it with nails. I tried using fencing nails, but I started cracking the wood. So, but it'll work. I'm happy with it. It's pretty skookum. So, you know, lots of wire on there. So anyways, that's my DIY Grizzly. Someday I want to build one out of metal, but not right now. But I'd probably build it the same way I did this. Helicopter going over top. So I'd probably build one out of metal, very identical to this. They're like, it's kind of like the way it is, the way I built it, and it's kind of off the fly kind of thing. I mean, I had some plans, but it's kind of altered, and got what I wanted. But it's actually turned out really, really good. I'm really happy with it. Next is to try it for real, and when I get as soon as the ground, I doubt the ground now is gonna get any better. So just getting too moist out there, and for the kind of thing, you want the material to be nice and dry, so the material goes through. If it's wet, the thing is with the Grizzly like this, if you're sifting soil, soil has to be dry. If it's wet, it's gonna get plugged up and it's cause nothing but grief. So, but yeah. Anyways, I mean, yeah. So that's that part there. So stay tuned for the other part. When I got the skid steer going, and we'll start putting debris on here and see how it sifts the rocks and everything out of it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another part on the Grizzly project. Bye for now.